Taiyi Tai Chi basic forms. Begin. Left leg move body to left side, then body thin. Move to horse stance, then both arm up, and body weight to the right side, palm face each other. Then right palm to the left, left palm to the right. 3 times each arm. When left hand up, left hand down. Then use right hand join the circle with the S front of your body. Then hold the ball on the left side. Then separate to the right arm diagonal, like A position. Then body weight on the left side, hold the ball to the left. Then hold the ball on the right side, then close palm, then ball stance, then body weight to the right, then both hands block 1, cross leg 2, 3. Then hold the ball front body, turn right, then turn left. 1 circle. Two times to the left. Then both arm turning. Horse stance. Then push left palm. Then pull the right palm, ball stance. Then body weight on the left leg, then turning body to the right, then turning body to the left. Then both arm, the turning. Then right arm gripping, push left palm, then hold the ball, left leg back to the body left side. Then push right palm, then push left palm. Then gripping, close arm, then kicking leg, block, 2 block, then lock, 3. Practice, then punch back, and turning the ball. 1, 2. Then left hand of the knee, then move forward. 1, 2. Then left hand the knee, then turning arm, back, then leg back.